Hi, hi, dear students, parents, and teacher. As the exam is on 26th of May 2024, for the exam, you need to create your login ID and password so that you can give your test paper. Now, for that, you must have got two website links in a message, right? You must have got these kinds of website link in your message, right? Now one is the official test website link and the second one is the official website link. Now what you have to do is, when you will both the links are connected to the test panel itself, you can use any of them to conduct the test, right? To perform for the test. Now, when you will click the first one, that is the official test website link. When you will click that, as I said, you need to create a unique ID and password. For that, number one thing, that you can contact the team so that the team will generate your user ID and password, which is mandatory to give the test. Otherwise, you will not be able to perform the test on the website. So it's important, so you should create, or you can take the help of the team to create your WhatsApp, your test ID and password. Now how to contact the team, what team will support you? Number one thing, when you will call the team, within 15 minutes you will get the ID and password, but for that you need to share your name and abacus level on the WhatsApp, and the team will generate ID and password for you. And there you can, from that ID and password, what you need to do is you need to log in to the portal. As I've already logged in, I'm showing you how to log in again. Okay. Now, when you will click on that particular portal, you will receive this kind of panel. Now what you need to do is click on login. There you have to put your login ID and password which the team has given you, or you yourself can generate it. If in case you want to register by your own self, what you need to do is click on register. There a pop-up of a form will uh, come, and then you need to fill all these details, and when you will click on register, your unique ID and password will be created, right? The email which you will mention here, that is your unique ID, and the password you have created, that is your password for the test portal. Now second is, when you have already registered and you have your own login ID and password, in that situation what you need to do is just click on login and type your mail ID. As I you can see that my mail ID is this one, I am typing it here, and the password, right? When you will write all the details, your login ID and password, then you need to click on login. When you will click on login, you will be successfully diverted to our main panel, that is the test panel, right? This is the panel, the original panel for the test, which is on 26th. That this is very important for you, as you can give, as you have to give the test on this portal itself. Now when you will click on login, there might be chances that the you will be directed to this interface. Now what you need to do is click on dashboard. You will be directed to the student panel which you have enrolled for. For example, now when you will log in, then this kind of interface might come. Then what you need to do is click on dashboard. The papers which you have enrolled for, which will come on that particular page. Now for example, if you have enrolled for level 7, then the level 7 paper will be there. Okay. And there is one more, if in case you need to do for the sample one, there is a sample paper of level 0 which you can do it, so that you will be able to get that how the papers exactly look like, right? Now when you will click on level 7, as I told that if you have enrolled for any of the level, then that particular level paper will be over there, but you cannot solve it right now. Why? Because the exam is on 26th. That is why it is being logged. You will not be able to get the access. This will be open on 26th May morning 8 a.m. From that particular time, as you can see, to 28th May 9 p.m. you can perform the test, right? And as I told you that there is a sample paper which you can do, so that you will be thorough enough that how to perform the test. Now you will, when you will click on International Abacus Olympiad Level 0, and you will, what you need to do is just click on Start Test. You will be directed to a instructions page, right? You need to carefully read the instructions, as it is mandatory to read the instruction before the test also. This same instruction page will be there on your main test paper, so read it very carefully. And when you will, then you need to click on next. On the exam day also you need to perform these things on your main test paper also. And when you are very much ready to perform the test, then only please click I am ready to begin. Why? Because it's a time based test, so you will be getting 10 minutes to perform this test. So make sure that you are very much ready and comfortably sitting on the chair, so that you can begin your test without any interruption. Now what you need to do is you need to click on yes, I have understood these the instructions and I am very much ready. When you have to this, you need to click this check box, and then you can click on I am ready to begin. When you are ready, this kind of test paper that is being provided, this will get open, right? It contains 100 question, as it is level 0, which has 101, and everything is mentioned over there. You can like zoom in the portal if in case you are not able to see it, or you can zoom out or minimize and maximize according to your wish. If in case you wanted to go for some of the question, like in say you are in level 5 or 6, you wanted to perform multiple choice questions before, then you can attempt from that particular thing. As you have saw the syllabus also, you will be very much aware that from which number the multiple choice I'm so sorry, from which number the multiplication question will come. So you can do by from that itself the question number 50 will arrive. Now let's say that by clicking on the right option, then what you need to do is save and next. Now read the question carefully, solve it, and click on the right option. Then you need to click on save and next. Likewise, you need to perform all the 100 or 150 question, whatever you level you have enrolled for. And here is the information that what all questions you have already answered, what all the questions which you have not answered. Before submitting the paper, I request you to please make sure that you read this particular information. If in case if any of the question you missed by chance, you can perform it there and then, but be careful before submitting the paper. And also be careful of the time which is there mentioned over there in the extreme left column of the test paper. Here is the time which is given over there. You need to perform the test on a very particular time limit, in a very particular time limit, right? This is what the exam portal will exactly look like. Now as you can see, and when you are very much aware that you have completed all the questions in a very appropriate form, now you need to click on just submit. When you will submit, this kind of interface will come. You need to, there is your like in say there is a report card will be automatically generated on the screen, that what all the questions you have completed or answered, which are not answered, and every sort of marking will be there. That is known as the report card, which will be displayed on the screen. Now when you will click on submit and finish, there is a feedback column which you can like type anything, which whatever you feel about the exam or anything, how the difficulty level was there. And when you will do the feedback, then you can click on submit. Now there you can see your report card, that what all marks you have scored, what is the percentage you got, what all the questions were right, incorrect, unattempted and attempted. This kind of report card will be there just after when you will click on submit. Right, this is the sample paper which I have shown to you. This will be a interface of your final exam paper. So I request you to watch this video at least twice, so that you will be thorough enough that what all kind of things are there in your main question paper which you need to be careful of. Right, this is what the first link that I have shared with you on WhatsApp looks like. Now when you will see this report card, now what you have to do is, as it is a sample paper, you can do this again if you want to use or you wanted to take test again. You what you need to do is click on the home button. There is a dashboard given over there. You need to click on the dashboard, not on the home button. Now this interface which was presented earlier will come. Now what you need to do is click on the International Abacus Olympiad Junior level again. Now there is a tab called delete report to start again. Now as you have done it once, now to attempt it on a second time you need to delete this report to start it again. Are you sure you wanted to delete it? Yes, you click on delete it. Now you can start the test again. This is what all the things are there. And if in case you wanted to see your result, there is a tab called my result on the extreme left. Now click on the my result. There you can see that what all scores you have got when you have did the practice test, right? This is an interface which you can use, that is the dashboard, which is containing all the levels which you have enrolled for in the exam. You will not be getting access to 8 level, only that level which you have enrolled for the exam, and one sample paper is there. That's it. And there is a result tab on which you can see your score, what all the scores you have got. This is what will happen when you will click on link number 1. Now the link number 2, official website link, which you are already aware about, internationalabacusolympiad.com. Now when you will click on internationalabacusolympiad.com, there is a same panel which you are entertaining from past 2 months that will appear. Now there is one new tab that is called as main exam. This is what you need to click on for the main test paper, right? When you will click on main exam, then you will be again redirected to the page which I have shared a detailed video of in this particular video itself in the beginning, right? The same procedure you need to apply. Either in case of login, you need to log in again with your unique and ID and password. The test ID and password are new. Please, I request you to generate your ID and password by yourself, or you can take the help of the team. You can share your details on WhatsApp, your name and your level. The team will generate login IDs and password with you. When you will click on login, you will be redirected to this particular dashboard. And when you will click on dashboard, the same things which I have detailed you about will appear. So I guess you are very much comfortable with the test portal, the login IDs and password. So all the best everybody for the test, and see you on 26th. If in case you find any of the problem, please coordinate with the team at any point of time. At any time you can coordinate with the team. Please make sure that your queries are being resolved on time. Thank you. This is a detailed video on how you have to use the test panel and how you can generate your unique ID and password. If in case you find any of the problem, you can contact the team, the number which you are coordinating on. Thank you.